Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using 2 packs of these coasters from Dollar Tree as well as one of their mini crates. I'm also using these rub-on transfers I got from Amazon. They're by Thymeless Designs. I cut away 4 different transfers and I chose ones that I could keep out through winter. I removed the backing and apply the transfer down to the coaster using the stick provided to rub the image down and carefully peel away the film from the front. I do that to 4 different coasters. After those are all on there, I'm taking Mod Podge and I'm applying a layer of that to the top of the coasters as well as the sides. I use dishwasher safe Mod Podge just so you'll be able to wash those down. Next, I'm taking the crate and I'm covering that with khaki color acrylic paint, and that is by Apple Barrel, just giving that one coat. Once that's completely dry, I take a baby wipe and white acrylic paint and whitewash the entire crate. Next, I take a piece of twine and wrap it around the crate and tie it in a knot over towards the left-hand side. I then trim up the tails of the twine. I take this little snowflake I got from Amazon and I hot glue that to the knot of the twine. I then just arrange the coasters in that little mini crate. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.